Inwood was a lot cooler before the Chinook blew in. I can tell, well, yeah, it's not very cold out, but you know what I mean. But anyways, this thing's right in the road, battery's dead. But luckily for us, we got some dear friends that we're gonna, whore out here in a minute or two. But of course, Chinook comes in, we got all the lines and the new rims last year, things f***ing awesome, and this, that, and then for a good plow one time, break it. So, I lost a pin, this and that, so we'll find that in a tire sometime in the spring probably, maybe, I don't know. But, yeah, it just blew the top of the R-skull out there, and then, of course, the pin slides out and off you go. She's dickered. So we just got a little piece of metal. All you got to do is weld that in there like that real good. But this car's in the way, and then all this snow's in the way. Oh, how about a word from our sponsor, Auto One. It's like Pug One, except for Auto at the start. But anyways, let's check this bastard out. Oh, I see they got the old 3-inch cables. 3-inch cables and the tiniest little clamps ever, so that's for maximum workness. Fire's right up. This thing was dead too. Nice. Only took one chooch. Only spent one chooch on that one. So there you go, boys. Auto One. Check them out. Try to remember to put the link in the description, but also I'm a little bit dickered, so bear with me. You know what I mean? Yeah, a little fancy carrying case there and this and that. But yeah, I don't know. To me, it would be nice if they, I'd rather spend another $20 to get some heavier duty wires to exubinate the friggin' Now, with any luck, I can get the skid steer a little closer to the door, weld that on there without too much disapini. Yeah, it's going to freeze and rain here soon too, so that's going to be marvelous. Oh, now we're in the snowplow maintenance department in Inwood. Just maintaining snow plows and stuff. My God. Oh no. Whew. That was close, eh? Whew. Better than new. Better than store-bought. Fuck, better than store-bought. $3.99 too. Got that off a scrap trailer. Well, I had to buy the cylinders and a couple hoses, but get a cigarette going here and get to plowing. I don't like plowing the asphalt too much because it's so soft, because I got the dollar store driveway. Well, it's expensive as driveway, but dollar store quality, right? You know how it is. Fly by night friggin' driveway decks, right? That I bought, this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to make big, huge, tall snow jumps so that, you know, big, huge snow jumps. But, yeah, it didn't snow. My plan was foiled, so that's when I learned that my shit's ready to go. There's not going to be any snow. I got, you know, broken skid steer and this and that, we're going to have lots of snow. Imagine hitting that on the lawn chair. I do it right now, but for 4,000 feet.